Again for the Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. So nice to see both of you.
Listen, I got some big news.
Big news? Is it about him?
Big news, yes. So we were at a Halloween party on Saturday,
Uh-huh.
and Greg won the sexiest man
Woo!
alive.
Ow, ow!
It's my guy, it's my partner.
So if you call them, not only do you get very knowledgeable attorneys, also
How about
sexy
it?
attorneys.
Sexiest man alive.
Look at that.
We should thank the O'Donnells for having us.
Yes,
Very nice.
yes.
Thank you.
Neil and Kathy, thank you very much. It was a wonderful party.
Wonderful. Well, let's get to the question today and see how the sexiest attorney answers it. Ben from Berwick saying, my parents are getting older and I have concerns about their affairs being in order. What do they need to do?
So, you know, Ben, one of the things that we always talk about is making sure that you're doing the appropriate amount of planning. We have an estates and trust division at our office now. Alex Russin heads that up. And really, it starts with getting all the documents in order that, for end of life. I mean, you're going to have a will, power of attorney, things of that nature. I mean, that's really the first best step that you could do for estate planning.
Correct. And I mean, a lot of times we always tell people, just pick up the phone, make an appointment, and start the planning process now, because a lot of times you get people calling you and they fail to plan, and it's a lot more difficult and a lot more expensive. So now, we've been getting a ton of phone calls on these issues. People have been coming in, we've been helping them, and I think it's going very well. So
Yep.
if you have questions, pick up the phone, give us a call.
Alex told me 2 weeks ago, we were talking about this, and he said, you know what you can't do?
What?
You can't do any planning when you're dead.
Ah, you really cannot.
None, zero.
point.
So it affects you, it affects your loved ones. So get it done ahead of time.
All right, some ways to reach them. You can give them a call,
Look at
find
that
them
smile.
online,
Look at
and
that
on.
smile.
Look at that tall drink of water. Oh my goodness. Make an
sexy
appointment
back.
to see him and get all your legal questions answered, or you can go to pahomepage.com.